early morning. Can you see the clouds moving? Yeah, coming through the forest. Witnessing a beautiful sunrise, guys. Today is 18th of January 2024. Wow. Yes, I've started walking at 9:25 a.m. We didn't had a breakfast, but we ate biscuits with milk. Plan is to explore Koleshwar a little bit more before getting down to Zor. Do a much bigger loop to hike west and then further down south towards Zor later. So we're going straight from the junction where the Koleshwar temple was. Hope to find a nice trail. Now we're on the section where the trail is all covered in bushes. Very tricky to figure out a path. You can see a nice trail on the ground, but it's covered completely. देखना मिस नहीं The sky is not very clear, but otherwise you can see Raireshwar in the backdrop. You can see the full expanse of the plateau. Extremely beautiful. But the trail is not in a very good condition. There are a few sections where you'll have to do a little bit of bushwhacking. So this one is not suggested for beginners, that's all. Yeah, so that area is Bhairichi Gumti. This is actually Mahabaleshwar. Bhairichi Gumti would be right here. You can finally see the whole big plateau. That's where we'll be going. I think we'll reach there by around 4 p.m. max. Yeah, so we are on a mapped trail, but I think nobody is using this, so it's all through a dense thickets. You could see some clues on the ground, but yeah. We have 1 kilometer of ideation where we just see whether this will go somewhere or not. Okay, chale. So we found some sort of a trail, but it is a little north of the main trail, and we can see Raireshwar much clearer now. Nice. So after bushwhacking for an hour, we have stopped for a break, for a Pethwadi break. And here's the condition. Ooh. Yeah, they're everywhere. So we'll have to trace our way back all the way till the Koleshwar temple. I think we are done with bushwhacking now. Back on a trail. We've done some 8 kilometers as of now, but if you look in my watch, it shows 7 because due to all that pushing through the bushes, maybe one of the button got pressed and I saw that my watch was paused for a while. Yeah, guys, you are back to the proper trail. You can see Rasalgad. This is the other side of Koleshwar where we had went yesterday. So this section is also completely covered. Yeah. And now we'll find our way to a ridge line that will help us descend to the village of Zor. The time is 2 p.m. I think we'll reach Zor before 4 p.m. and we'll be able to make it up all the way to old Mahabaleshwar before sunset. So now, as you can see, we are south of Koleshwar. Now we will leave this plateau. Even this reservoir is called Dhom, built on the Krishna river, and this ridge line will just take us all the way down there. This little settlement is the settlement of Zor, and then we'll climb up. You can see some small towers and a hut there. This plateau is the old Mahabaleshwar plateau. In the last community hike, instead of climbing up to the plateau, we went here and did the Bairichi Gumti and the Dhawale Ghat. But yeah, this is how it looks, the descent to Zor. Time is 2:15 p.m. We've done close to 12 kilometers in the last 4.5 hours. Beautiful. It's super sunny, but it's still nice and cool breeze. And this ridgeline is pretty amazing. It's pretty steep, takes you down quickly. It's a good entry and exit point. Now the descent towards Zor takes you down through a ridge line and then a beautiful forest section. Extremely pretty. What happened? Kya hua?
Something with the knee.
Something with the knee. Okay. Like knee pain.
Oh. Same problem that I told you. No?
Achha, achha, achha. When you take the descent slow, you can borrow the pole if you want. So that is the Koleshwar plateau. We were there on the top, descended down from the ridge line, and then this is the forest section that the trail passes through. Yeah. And now we are up close to the village. Yeah, you can see the hiker. You can also see some houses there. That is Zor. So this is touchdown road. There's this small shop here in Zor. You'll get the basic stuff. We've done some close to 13.5 kilometers. Time is 3:20 p.m. Yeah. Yeah, so we were there. That is Koleshwar. I think we came down through that ridge line. This was Zor and the Krishna river. Beautiful views. It's almost sunset. Time is 4:47 p.m. We've done close to 16 kilometers in the last 7 hours. Yeah. And you have a one single nice trail to follow all the way up. We are left with some 200 meters of climb. Should reach Mahabaleshwar before 6 p.m. for sure. Beautiful. Beautiful forest section, and you have a big path to follow. This would be such a nice trail run. Yeah. Amazing. Broccoli. Yeah, this path is frequented by locals and hence it is in such great shape. The trail. Are? Wow. This is pretty aerobic for her. Zone 1. I think we are on the top. The last set of stairs. Yeah. Whoa! What? अरे भाई सब ट्रेल रनर्स हैं क्या यहाँ? जिसको देखो भाग रहा है. Nice, a beautiful Dhom reservoir, and you have a beautiful view of the Koleshwar plateau. Amazing. Okay, so 16.45, 8 hours, 30,000 steps, and the gain for me it shows 630 meters.
It's not there. I think I'm yet to.
Okay. But good, 16.5k. Nice. Great. And this is the Ganesh Mandir. You can charge your phones here. Pretty useful spot. How much? Oh, 800. Okay, 800 up, 900 down. We have our prized possession. Have to keep it safe. So we were coming from Ganesh temple on a nice and beautiful trail, and this is the contrast. Whoa! Welcome to the commercial side of Sahyadris. And if we look at the Dhom reservoir in the evening sunlight, it looks extremely beautiful. It's a big reservoir which is being built on the Krishna river, and you will be seeing it throughout the day, from early morning when we started our descent, during our ascents, and then back on these descents.